Okay, today I want to show you my lesson day number 5, and this is talking about the uh, home page. We say contact to another home page, and we set it with the uh, home page and email, connect to email. Also, this is for linking to another page. And the code of HTML lesson number 5 is I'm gonna show you what page that you need to create for to do this. The first you need to create a home page. You need to create about us page. You need to create us contact us page and adventure traveling page, animal life page, plant life page. So first of all, I will show you one by one with the code and the page that we need to create. Okay, let's start with the code. The code is the home page. The home page, I show you step by step with the linking page. Before the day before, I used to tell you about the code meaning, the element, and the code meaning, and now I just show you more what the linking code to the another page. The first time I need to create one home page. This one home page. I set it to .html, and this is the title day number 5 that I put here, and this is UL is meant for the dot list, and this is I is meant for the list like this, and A href is mean goes click to another page. This is the code for href for to another page, and target is mean tell you what you want to go a new page, to load a new page, a new web, or you want to just the same web, up to you. For me, I put target blank like this. It means goes to another new page. Okay, and I put home. Home is the name of this one, and this is the name of our HTML page. This is the name of the home like this. So, and I close a back, and this is one more. I put the about us.html, so I need to create about us.html one more. About us HTML here. About us HTML, I write like this. Head title about us like this, and head, close head, and this is about us. I put here, look, about us like this. This is home here that I use the list like this, UL list, and this ahref home.html here. Put home, and sorry, I forgot to close it back here. This is A, and this is A. So A, close A. Okay, not here. Sorry. Here. A. I save it. Okay, this is address home page. When I click this, it's go to home page back here. This is our home page, and I need to create one more for contact us.html. This is contact us. Here contact us. When I click contact us, it's gonna show like this. So home and about us. When I click home, it's go to our home page. And this is when I click about us here. This is about us here. And this is about us show here. And now I go back to our home page and explain you more. And this is about us, and this is contact us. I create contact us here. Contact us page, put like almost the same about us page here, like this, and I forget one more also. This is we need to close it back. It A, and this is close it back also with A. Okay, and I save it again. I forgot it. Okay, here I create the contact us like this and put the same. Well, let me check the code. This is contact us here, contact us. When I click this, it go like this, and I go to click home page. It's gonna show back to home page code, home page website, and look the home page code. Okay, this is already you understand about this. And this is talking about the number list. The number list I put O here, OL, and here. OL is mean the number of the list here. And LI I open the A, and I put address adventure traveling. So I need to create one adventure traveling.html. This is a new page, one more. So this is the page that I create. Okay, look at this. I put almost the same, but this one I put link at another page here. I put img. It's come from image. SRC is from the location of the image. It tells you the location of the image where you get from. Here I get from my computer, my drive C, and this is the image name. Put more about adventure traveling. Here this is adventure traveling. Here adventure traveling HTML. This is the name of adventure traveling page, and this is I put img. SRC is mean the location. This one location of our place. img is mean the image, mean to put the picture, and this is location, and this is the name of our page, our picture. And this target I put blank like this because I want to, it's loading to a new page. When I click it, it goes to the new page with traveling here like this. When I click here, I click adventure page, it go come like this. Okay, I go on, it go come like this. So it's been like this code. And width, I put width. I want to picture in our frame image. So here, 100 and 500. This is size of our image. And scroll down, and don't forget close this one also. Sometimes for me, I always forget it. Okay, and we all plus we all like this mean to go like in our word it enter. It's can we say break. It mean enter here. 1, 2. I put 2 here. 2 from the image to this one. 2. Press 2. And 8 rest home.html. I put this one because when I finish watch this one, I go click this, go to home, here to our home page back. Okay, so the next one we go to our home page code, and this is animal life.html. We need to create this one like adventure traveling also. This is animal life.html page 1, and this is we put the animal life here, animal life, and go down. You see I close OL back, and this is the image of this one image. SEO I put here, and I put its size, width and height here, this side, and this is the name of the picture, yeah, and this is the location of our picture, and this is the table. Okay, the table is here. I told you number the day number 4 already, and explain what's code gonna work for this table. So if you don't understand about the table and the table code, this code, you go to watch my day number 4. You're going to know all the code for the table. Okay, thank you everybody. Please don't forget to subscribe and put notify. You will got more HTML code and more page that we create. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.